Welcome back. Today we have a Hart RC truck. This is a 20-volt truck. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make work to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. By subscribers and likes, so help out this channel by doing so. Still available at the Walmart if you want to get them. However, I heard a lot of negatives about this one, this one and the Ryobi, because they are the same basically. One negative is that this doesn't connect with that. Another negative that they have, the motor overheats because, you know, obviously people are putting bigger batteries than what it comes with. This comes with the 1.5. It's still a pretty big battery for a truck like this. You're gonna have to let it rest. That's pretty much common sense. If you run it down, you're gonna kill it. That's pretty much what it is. You know, these are not your professional level, you know, like the Traxxas and the Armas and all that stuff. Those are professional. This is actually pretty nice. It's around $100 with the battery and charger. It is a 1/10 scale, so it's pretty large. There's my hand. There's my hand right there, and there's the truck. And these are soft. These are soft inflated, kind of like the toys from the dogs. Wheel to wheel, it's about 14 and a half. All the way to the back is about 22 inches. So it looks like a Baja, basically a Baja truck. It is two-wheel drive, by the way. It seems like it does have an antenna here, so maybe that's the antenna. It does have really nice suspension. I'll show you guys right now once I take this off. But yeah, it does say Hart on the side. The other one I believe does say Ryobi 20 volts. Got some fake lights here. Same thing with all this. This is all painted, the windows and everything. It is kind of flimsy, but yeah, it's built like this because, you know, obviously if you flip this over, if you hit it, you know, it's not gonna break. That's why it's built like that. There's nothing on the bed here. It does have 4 clips, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. A GoPro mount, so you can mount a GoPro there. A really nice bumper on the back and a really nice bumper on the front. I'll show you guys that right in a second. So that is a bumper on the front. So it's pretty beefy. So bottom, there's nothing really going on here. Just, you know, obviously some arms, suspension. You got on and off. Some suspension, not a whole lot. But yeah, these are all plastic arms, by the way. They are kind of beefed up a little bit. You do see the extra plastic there to beef them up. The motor compartment. So you do have some clips here. You just take off these clips. It does come with some extra ones. The ones from the back. And just lift it up, basically. That's all it is. And this is, I believe maybe you can get some other ones for this one. It does have some screws there, maybe for this part. Yeah, these are definitely some real. It does have some metal shafts. They might be replaceable because everything's with the screw. Everything's screwed in. Yeah, everything's screwed in. These are screwed in too. These shocks. Same thing with the back. You did get the independent suspension. Here we got the battery compartments. Obviously, it's a slide-on. 4 different connectors. For the Hart battery compartment here is a pretty big size motor. I would say about 3 inches, 2.5 wide. It's a HPRZ01. We got 20 miles per hour, 2.4 gigahertz for ages 8 and up. It's only with battery packs listed operator's manual. This receiver model HPRC01R. The serial number there at the bottom. Then you got some warnings here. Obviously not to touch this part. It's the motor compartment. And then you got some other warning signs. You got a light there, obviously when it's on and off. You do have an external antenna. You guys do see the bumpers. They do have some sort of shock absorber here. Oh, so it does have a built-in fan. Nice. Basically how your right and left steer. So you do have an adjuster here for the alignment, so it doesn't roll to the sides. You got forward and reverse. That's forward, and then you got reverse. You do have a slow speed and a high speed here at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on the low speed. Obviously, I don't want to burn it up or anything. You're gonna put the clips on. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab it from here. because I feel that this thing's gonna start breaking if I grab it from there. So this is the best point to grab it from is the bumpers. Alright, so we're at the back patio here. We have it on first speed. It is really hard to control on the second speed. That's why I prefer to use it on first speed. And then we're gonna put it on second speed, see what it does. And obviously we're gonna crash. Yep, we're gonna crash. And then we're gonna crash again. So it is sensitive, so you can adjust it. It's trigger sensitive. We're gonna use it here in the grass, so give it a little, some workout. However, this did get it overheat. I started smelling the motor. So yeah, I gotta say I did run it for about 10 or 15 minutes here hard on the grass, and I started smelling the motor that was like burnt plastic and stuff like that. So what I did is I just let it sit for a while, let the fans work and cool it down for a few minutes, about 5 minutes, and then I ran it back here at the street. On the street, it seems to be loving it. It's very fast here on the streets. So I do gotta say it's a nice product, but if you have kids and they're not gonna know, they're just gonna run it till it dies. So that's it for my quick review. If you guys buy it, it's kind of mostly like a hobby for an adult that owns the tools. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.